Is your engine running rough, losing power, or showing a check engine light? Before you blame the fuel injectors or turbo, your EGR valve could be the problem. Today, we'll go over 5 common signs of a bad EGR valve and what you can do about it.
Number 1. A rough or unstable idle. The EGR valve controls how much exhaust gas is sent back into the intake. If the valve gets stuck open, too much exhaust can enter the engine at the wrong time. The result? The engine may shake, stumble, or feel like it's about to stall, especially at idle.
Number 2. Loss of power. A restricted, stuck, or malfunctioning EGR system can affect the engine's air and fuel balance. You may notice weak acceleration, especially when climbing a hill or pressing the gas pedal. If your vehicle suddenly feels slower than normal, don't ignore it. Number 3. The check engine light comes on. Modern vehicles monitor the EGR system using sensors and engine control data. If the computer detects that the EGR system isn't working correctly, it can trigger a warning light. Depending on the vehicle, you may see EGR-related trouble codes. But remember, a code doesn't automatically mean the EGR valve itself is bad. A clogged passage, wiring problem, sensor issue, or vacuum problem can cause similar symptoms.
Number 4. Your fuel mileage gets worse. When the EGR system isn't operating correctly, the engine may not maintain the air-fuel conditions it was designed for. That can affect combustion efficiency and fuel economy. If you notice you're filling up more often without changing your driving habits, the EGR system is one component worth checking. And number 5. Hesitation or stalling. If the EGR valve is stuck open, exhaust gas can enter the intake when it shouldn't. That can cause hesitation when accelerating, poor throttle response, or even an engine that stalls at idle. This symptom can have many causes, so proper diagnosis is important before replacing parts.
So how do you know if the EGR valve is actually the problem? Start with a visual inspection. Look for heavy carbon buildup, damaged vacuum hoses, loose electrical connectors, or wiring problems. Then scan the vehicle for trouble codes and check the EGR system according to the manufacturer's testing procedure. On some vehicles, the EGR valve can be cleaned if carbon buildup is the problem. But if the valve, actuator, or electrical components have failed, replacement may be necessary. One important thing: don't replace the EGR valve just because you have an EGR-related trouble code. Always diagnose the system first. The real problem could be the valve, a clogged passage, a sensor, wiring, vacuum supply, or another engine issue. So, the 5 signs are: rough idle, loss of power, check engine light, poor fuel economy, and hesitation or stalling. If you're experiencing these symptoms, your EGR system deserves a closer look. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Fix Pro Garage, and turn on the notification bell for more simple automotive tips and DIY fixes.